Welcome to the session again, class 10. We'll continue with the grid and we'll go for the topic of scale. Take out your grid book, just sit with it. Now when we talk about the scale, all the maps, they are always drawn to a scale. If we have to define it, it is the ratio between the distance of any 2 points on the map and the actual distance of the same point on the ground. So where the grid that is concerned, the topographic grid that is concerned, we have got 3 different kind of the scales over there. Now what are these different kind of the scales? The first one is the ratio or representative fraction, where in the grid book it is written 1:50,000. That is the ratio scale. Then we have the graphical or the linear scale, where the bar line that is drawn and measurement from 0 to 500 meters and 0 to 7 kilometers that is given. And then we have the statement of the scale, where it is written 2 centimeters to 1 kilometer. From the book I have taken and marked it over here for you. It is written over there, carefully see, 1:50,000, 2 centimeters to 1 kilometer. And then the bar line that is also drawn. So these are the 3 kind of the scales and it is always present there. Then it is also written that contour interval is 20 meters. What does it mean? It means that 1 unit that is represented on the map is equal to 50 units that is represented on the ground. That is the ratio scale, representative fraction. Then we have 2 centimeters that is covered in the grid is equal to 1 kilometer on the ground. That is statement of the scale. Now these 3 kind of the scales, they are taken help when the grid sheet it is drawn, and it is always present over there in the grid sheet. Now the difference between the height, the contour interval, that is also given in 20 meters. So this was all about the scale. Next we have the topic of distance. Now we have got 2 distances. One, that is the direct distance that will be measured with the help of a scale, and the another one, that is the indirect, that will be measured up with the help of a twine or a thread. So both the distances we will be using up the statement of the scale, 2 centimeters to 1 kilometer. Now let us find the direct distance between 2 places shown over here, Idrala and Dhan. We are going to encircle the place, join the center points as shown in the slide over here. Alright. Now then we are going to take the measure in centimeters. Now over here it comes down to be 6 centimeters. Now after having the 6 centimeters, then we are going to use the statement of the scale, which says 2 centimeters to 1 kilometer. So 6 centimeter, you simply divide it by 2, make it a half. Answer you are going to get is 3 kilometers. Have the another method, that is the indirect method. Now this is where we require the roll of the thread. Take a piece 20 centimeters of the thread, cut it off, and then to the edge of it, just slightly away from the corner, mark it down. Put some sort of a color mark over there. That would be your beginning point. Then place it on Idrala, where the road, cart track, it is moving. Twist and turn the thread as the road it is moving across. Then put the another pointer mark. Now you have 2 pointer marks over there. Take the reading on a scale in centimeters. Then use the statement of the scale method again. Divide centimeters into half. You are going to get the answer in kilometers. So these were the 2 methods, the direct method and the indirect method to find out the distance.